Hello guys, Ramen Teddy here. Today we're gonna make crazy ramen. I wanna eat ramen and pizza together, so we're gonna make ramen pizza today. We need Shin Ramen, green pepper, onion, mushrooms, and pepperoni, olive oil, and green olives, and melting cheese. Please cut vegetables like pizza toppings: onion, mushrooms, green pepper, olives, pepperoni. If you don't like vegetables, you can add just pepperoni. It's up to you. We need to cook ramen noodle first, and we need to cook fully here because we're gonna bake it later. And add dry veggies from the package. We're gonna drain water, so the amount of water doesn't matter. When noodle is cooked, drain all water and keep high heat, and add half soup base. Because we drain water, you don't need to add all soup base because it's gonna be salty. Add cooked ramen noodle on the pizza pan first and spread it out. And add some melting cheese. And toppings: onion, pepperoni, olives, mushrooms, and pepper. And prepare your oven 380 Fahrenheit and preheat your oven. And add some olive oil, ramen noodle already cooked with oil, so it's not gonna stick to the pan. It's beautiful, and but I like it crispy, and I want to wait until top cheese becomes brown, and please look at the cheese, and it's beautiful, a beautiful brown color, and noodle looks crispy, and this is the way I like it. And if you have pizza cutter, please use it. Shin Ramen, spicy soup base, and creamy cheese uh, go well together, and also noodle noodle baked really good, and you can bake it crispy like this, and you can feel different texture, and I didn't expect this good actually, and you should definitely try it, and you know this is really good. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this video. Hit the notification button. Thank you.